we got from the pre-order content, so that's pretty neat. So I'm gonna hop into the training packs. Oh yeah. Oh, that's what's up. 350. About to put that all on Randy. Let's pick these uniforms real quick. Oh, these little bullcrap hats. Nice. We're definitely gonna go with that. Oh, we get both of them. Nice. Let's open it up, Mr. Antonio. Everybody and their mother's gonna have that freaking Antonio Brown. Yeah, we already know who we're getting. Shout out to T.O. We're gonna hold you down. We're gonna level him out. He can only go to 85, but I'm sure in the future they'll upgrade him. Team Elite Fantasy Pack? Oh, you get to pick one, right? Yeah. I don't really need these. So I'm probably just gonna pick a D tackle if they got one. That's it? I could have sworn I already got one of these packs too, is a crazy thing. Actually, we're gonna go with a tight end. You never have too many tight ends. Run block tight ends. Gronk's a big old boy. What did I say, 12? Alright, let me get some love. We're gonna rock with Philly first. We're gonna do Philly and the Rams. Ugly ass. Nothing. Kinda want Fletcher Cox. Which I won't get. We'll do half Philadelphia, half Los Angeles. I don't even want those damn power-ups, but I'll take that Carson Wentz power-up. Yeah, better idea. Let's do it like this, that way we can just shred them. Yeah, we'll do three. I'll do 3 Philly. I'll do 3, I'll do 4 Rams. Just knock them out like this real quick. The Saints probably got, oh, I'm just the Saints too. Alright. Nah. Steelers got a bunch of these. I'm trying to think who got the best corners, man. Oh, Jacksonville. What the fuck? I don't know why I didn't pick. Damn, Jacksonville. They also got nice ass. Really, Jack. Oh, I'm already past him. Because I also got to combine those campaign tokens. I think. Let's go, man. Let me get some freaking pack love. And of course not. But those core rookies, dude, I got a ton of those. I think it drops on the 12th or whatever. That's Saquon. Of course, no elites. Yep. Well, so much for Philly. That's right, I wanted to use these for the Team Diamonds. Damn. I'm not thinking straight. Should have just picked all of Jacksonville because I was shooting for that Jalen Ramsey off the Team Diamond. Alright, let's go, let's go, let's go. Damn, bro. Stingy ass EA. No elites at all. Bro, are you fucking kidding me? Thank you. Ew. No thank you. Seems like everybody's getting the same players, man. This is where really I should have been. I should have been in Jacksonville. Yes. Last but not least, they gave me the Blake Bortles Core Elite, which goes for $20,000. Thank you for your service. Alright. 87 overall. Joey Bosa. Oh gosh. Corners are looking not too bad. I mean, he's obviously better. I don't got a right outside linebacker. See, I got the Ray Lewis, so I'm leveling up. So, do I want to go with? I know he got speed. You can't go wrong with Deion Jones. That's so freaking hard. Nah, because I'm going to upgrade Ray Lewis. Ugh. Alright, you are it. Hold on. Yeah, I'm really feeling this. What's his block shot? 87. 71. 87 and 71. Play recognition. Finesse mode. They're both. Oh shit, he got 83 zone though. He's more of a, I guess, blitz. Alright, double check real quick. I'm black. Got play right. Not so good zone. 77 and 72 or something like that, and his is 83. Damn, 62. Oh my god, he's gonna get hemmed up. You know what? YOLO. Might not have been the best move. See what they think real quick. Yeah, but he's not faster than damn Tyreek Hill, bro. $78. Where's that power up card? $78. I'll put him back in there. Just to remember to power him up. Alright, so we're looking good on our tight end. Squad's not too bad. Forgot I could where's Ricky Williams at? He's on the come up also. I'm gonna hook T.O. up real quick. Actually, what do you gotta do? You gotta go to, oh yeah, you gotta go to, yeah. So we got a bunch of elites right now, man. Oh, I do got D tackles. I don't know where the hell they came from, but I like it. Squad's looking good. Squad's looking good. Besides that Ryan Shazier, man. Look at them, how to make it in America. Real day one, ain't a lot of us. My two jobs, it was hard for us. Me and sis made it out, now she proud of us. My buddy. That's what we've been waiting for. Oh, you can get all this training back too. You can pick whatever too. Alright. We already knew we were boosting up T.O. So it ain't nothing new. They gon' let me in this club in these dirty vans. Clean money, I count stacks with these dirty hands. Do a show, cop the rack with my new advance. 50 bands, 80 bands, 100 bands. I'm the American dream. Alright, let's get him up there. I mean, that's good for right now. As long as I keep Moss hanging around, I'm happy. I really want to, I can't forget about Ray. Even though Ryan Shazier is going to be my main dude when I get him. There we go. Alright, not too shabby. We'll be able to get all that back. Alright, he's almost he's almost there. Me using him, he's gonna be like an 85. I had 100 points. Exactly. Why not? Brand. Did I need a strong safety? Yes, I does. You can hide is that dude. Sorta. $86. Alright, so he's more of a hitter, but I like to play zone. Alright.